Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using custom shapes in PowerPoint in just 3 minutes. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to shapes, and you're gonna insert this curve shape and just make a random shape uh, using this curve action. And what you're gonna do is just make some curve in it. The line will automatically become a curve. So what we're going to do is just make different curve shapes like these that are like coordinated with each other. And that if the first one is inside, we're going to make the second one outside. So let's make different patterns. But be sure to use an outline which is of rectangle. So all of these shapes will just form a rectangle from outside. So I'll select all of them and unite them from the merge options. Go to from a shape and give them picture text fill, and I'm gonna insert a really nice high resolution image in it. So let's enter this image, go to crop option and picture format and increase its size and then put it into it and then customize our image. Now close the format picture and what you're going to do is just change the background's color. So I'll just use black as the background fill and then insert a text box for the title, and the title I'm going to use is custom shapes. Change its fill to white and change its font. The font I'm using is Irony font. We're going to go to format shape, go to text options and click on gradient fill and give it a gradient fill of blue. Gradient stops, two gradient stops which are both of blue color. So one would be a darker and one would be a lighter one. So let's just give it some glow of white fill, and we're gonna increase its transparency so that it doesn't look really harder. Next we're gonna put it right here and increase its size, go to format text options and insert our format our content text. We're gonna remove the text that we don't need, and we're gonna put the text that we need, and let's just increase its size to make room for other text box as well, which is gonna be our subtitle, and the subtitle is PowerPoint. As you can all see, I'll just give it a glow of white fill as well. But let's go to the format shape. We're gonna go to text options, go to shadow and go to glow option and increase the transparency for this text box as well. Next, what we're gonna do is insert around a corner rectangle just below our content text after giving line spacing to our content text. So let's just insert around corner rectangle right at the bottom and insert our one word text in it and go to format shape and give it the same gradient as we used in the text upwards. Here you go. Let's give it a glow as well of white color and then increases transparency. Close the format shape background and let's just increase the rectangle size and let's resize it so that we can put it into our slide according to our preferences. So that's all we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see you in another video soon.